Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious burrito wrap at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need large flour tortillas, about 10 inches in diameter, along with your preferred protein like seasoned chicken or beef. Don't forget fresh toppings such as shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and onions. Finally, have cheese, sour cream, and salsa ready to go. Now, let's prepare our fillings and tortillas. Cook your chosen protein thoroughly, ensuring it's well seasoned. Next, warm your tortillas for about 15 seconds in a microwave or on a dry pan. This makes them much easier to fold without tearing. Arrange your fillings in a line slightly below the center of the tortilla, leaving space on the sides. The key to a great burrito is the wrap. First, fold in the left and right sides of your tortilla over the filling. Then, bring the bottom edge up and over the ingredients, tucking it in tightly. Continue to roll the burrito firmly from the bottom towards the top, maintaining a snug, compact shape. This technique keeps everything neatly inside. Now for the best part, customization and enjoyment. Feel free to personalize your burrito with different sauces, beans, or rice. For an extra touch, you can grill or pan-fry your wrapped burrito for a crispy, golden exterior. And hey, if you're looking for new adventures, check the description for a link to a great e-reader and other deals. Serve your delicious homemade burrito immediately and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.